Drop it.
And good morning, guys. All right, welcome to Study Hall. Study Hall started late because I was busy trading my Top Step funded account. Got funded yesterday, and today I traded. So really just trying to use Top Step to put 1348 on the map. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing. This is where I'm at. My Top Step journey so far. My profit factor 77.94, win rate 86.67%. Net P&L $13,272, and this is basically 4 trading days. As you can see, I'm definitely managing my risk here. $86 to $1,000 profit. Trade expect to see $884.83. Okay, so full disclosure, I think I'll start making more. It really fucking sucks that you're limited to like 3 contracts or the most 3 contracts. With today's haul, I think I break that threshold where now I have access to all 15 contracts, and this really helps with scaling. And so what I will be doing moving forward is scaling from micros. I needed full access to the allotment. So I traded aggressively. What you're going to see if those numbers start getting smaller, that's A-okay, right? How big is my PA? Well, when I passed, I passed with 150K. I will be doing M&Q moving forward now that I have access to all 15 contracts. We're doing good here. We have a trade design up. Let's go ahead and simply set a buy. I'm going to set a buy here right at this trade design, and then we have a 1.5 to 1. For me, we're looking at multiple confluences. In order to get our entry here in the secret chart, we also have to break this level at 21,205. This is why I am not chasing a candle. Jolt's data just came out. That was to 10 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna get a fill. Oh no, yay. All right, guys, so this is what's gonna happen here. I wanted to set my target. We're gonna set my target halfway up. That's 10 contracts here. Now, what I'm going to show you with the DSR, this is going to be my stop. And by the way, guys, this is my own account. This isn't Top Step here, just so you can see, right? So currently up $100, and I'm going to trail with the DSR. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but we're trailing with the DSR right there, right? Up $700. Let's see if the zoom actually works. Okay, yeah, you guys can see the zoom there. We're up a decent amount of money here with this entry. Yes, it's a 1.5 to 1. We're up $1,000 potentially, right? And I'm going to, guys, for me, I really don't care about what my profit is or where I'm setting my profit, because at this point, as I'm moving my DSR here, I am discounting my risk. That is what we're doing, discounting risk, up $2,000, up $2,200, right? This is money on top of money. This is what we do here at Trade 1348, right? I'm gonna wait. So I discounted my risk. I really don't give a shit about this trade anymore because my risk is now discounted. What I'm looking for now is to see if DSR comes up and makes this free. And then what I could do is I could bring my take profit just shy of the level. And so I've now made a decision of like, hey, DSR, get up here so you can make the trade free. Now, if you're in this trade and you really care about $1,500, then what you're going to do is you're going to take profit. What I care about is following the DSR. And now what I've done here, following that DSR here, guys, is essentially created a 4 to 1 trade, right? This is my risk here. That's my risk box. Let's go ahead and measure this out. Let me show you guys. We can measure this. Hey, where the fuck is my long? Right, long position. This is our entry, right? And this is our risk right here. As a stance, that's 2.61 to almost the top of that candle. It's a 2 to 1 here, right? So I've dynamically altered my risk to reward simply by moving the DSR. And this is what I want you guys to really focus on, is dynamically altering your risk to reward using our DSR. That's really all we want to do. This is a 2.32 to 1 trade. You see, like, the trade is just, it's doing this thing. Now it goes against me. I'm simply going to close that trade. I should have taken profit, but we're doing this. We're doing this for study hall. You guys can see how we can dynamically set the stop, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take the profit. I'm done. I'm going fishing. That's what's up. So what I'm gonna do now is, see here, right? We know where that candle is going. I'm gonna get a better reentry, and I'm just gonna go in right here, right? We're gonna see if we can get some more momentum back up here. I'm going to use my band. I've discounted my risk by virtue of entry just below the entry here. I've discounted my risk. It's a shorter amount of risk. I'm a-okay with that. We're gonna go ahead and see. All right, we're back in it. We're back in green. We're back in green. And Applejack is here. He's going to go ahead and edit this video for after. All right, we're back up $1,000. Now, what we're going to do here is, you saw my last trade. I lost 300 bucks. You guys saw how I lost 300 bucks on the last trade. Cool. Now, I'm up 2,000. That is a 7-to-1. I closed the trade right there. It's a 2,500. That is an 8-to-1. I lost 300. I made 2,500. That is it. I stood true to our trade design, which was right here. And even though I got stopped out, remember, guys, we tell you, lose fast so you can win faster. I got stopped out, got a better entry, right? I knew what I lost. I lost about 300. My risk to reward, insane. This is how you trade. You guys get it? I hope so. Junior made us 1%. Daniel, what's going on? You guys are legit senior here. Let me get that zoom off because it's cutting my head off. It's kind of, there you go. Wait. Was that premature ejaculation? Maybe. But at the end of the day, I don't care. I lost, and then I managed my risk. That's what this game is, and that's all it ever will be. As you see here, from entering the trade, my focus wasn't necessarily profit. My focus was my risk and discounting my risk the whole damn time. If you made your money and you made your money on the trade, bye, you're done. Get out of here. Get a Post-it note. 1%. I want to compound 1%. What does that look like relative to 1% on your account? Then the dollar amount of what that 1% is. And then that's your goal. A lot of you guys go ahead and wreck yourselves because you're trading without a goal. It's kind of like, now I got to be careful with my analogies here. You know what? I'm not even going to go off the deep end there. Guys, you lose fast to win faster. That's what this game is all about. You do not have to marry the trade. You don't have to stay committed to the trade. Half of you motherfuckers aren't even committed in your relationships, but you're fucking committed to a trade, and you're staying in a goddamn trade. Like, we're gonna make this work. Go take care of your fucking kids, man. Seriously, that's just it's the fucking truth. That's Study Hall. For those who are looking for more content in Study Hall, make sure you head on over to Trade 1348. I think we have over 30 Study Hall sessions archived for you. But what I want you guys to learn today was manage risk so you can end your day faster, you're not married to the charts, and go do something with your life. We're signing out. We have fun today. We made money. Stay disciplined. Adios.